Good morning, students. In this video, we will continue with our chapter number 4, that is force and pressure. And we will discuss the topic, the effects of force. So, there are many effects of force that are: first, force can make an object move from rest. Second, force can stop a moving object. Third, force can change the speed of an object if it is moving. It can increase the speed of the moving object or it can decrease the speed of the moving object depending upon the direction of the applied force. Fourth, force can change the direction of a motion of an object. Fifth, force can bring a change in the size or shape of an object. So, force can cause one, two, more or all of these effects at a time depending upon the situation. Now we will discuss all of these effects one by understanding few examples. So first, force can make an object move. So in this picture, we can see that the two boys are pushing the big box. That is, they are applying force, and as a result, the big box is moving in the direction of the applied force. So we can say that force can make an object move. Second, force can stop a moving object. In this picture, we can say that in the game of football, the goalkeeper is applying force with his arms so that the football does not reaches the net. In this way, by applying force, he stops the moving football. Thus, we can say that force can stop a moving object. Third, force can change the speed of an object. Force can increase the speed of an object if it is applied in the same direction of motion. In this picture, we can see that the boy is repeatedly pushing the tire. That is, he is applying force to the tire so that the tire will move faster. Thus, force can increase the speed if it is applied in the same direction of motion. The contrasting situation is that force can decrease the speed if it is applied in the opposite direction of motion. In this picture, the children are playing the game of tug of war. So, in this game, if one team applies more force, that is, if they are applying greater force, then the opposite team speed will decrease and even they may fall and come to rest. So force can decrease the speed if it is applied in the opposite direction of motion, and also we know that it can stop the moving object. Fourth, force can change the direction of the moving object. In this example, the batsman has applied force at a certain angle and thus the moving ball has changed its direction. Thus, if the force is applied at a certain angle, it can change the direction of the moving object. Fifth, force can change the shape or size of an object. For example, if we squeezes the lemon, then the shape and size of lemon changes. So there are many more examples in which we can see that force can change the shape or size of an object. So force can cause one, two, more or all of these effects depending upon the situation.